Ha? Anong sabi mo? Life insurance ba? Hindi ko naman kailangan yan. Naitanong mo na ba sa iyong sarili, kahit minsan lang, na talaga bang hindi mo kailangan ang life insurance? Yeah. Well, in cooperation with OWET TV, this is Joel Garcia of Help Me Help You. And I've been helping people here in Doha for life insurance for their family's future. So, going back to our issue, talaga bang hindi mo kailangan ang insurance? O baka naman hindi mo pa kailangan ang insurance? Well, there's a big difference between those two. Doon muna tayo sa una. Hindi ko kailangan. So, cite tayo ng example. For example, somebody approaches you and tries to sell a lipstick to you. Well, we know for a fact that you are a man. Man don't use lipstick. So, pag inalok sa'yo yung lipstick, what will you say? I am sorry, I'm not interested. I'm not going to buy your lipstick because I am a man. Unless, otherwise, so yun, hindi mo talaga kailangan yun. Kahit ibigay sa'yo yung lipstick, hindi mo siya tatanggapin dahil hindi mo naman ginagamit sa lips mo yun. Well, the other condition is the hindi mo pa kailangan. A good example, somebody approaches you and tries to sell a jacket to you. So, it's summertime now and nobody uses jacket during summertime. So, sasabihin mo lang sa kanya, I am sorry, I don't need your jacket because it's summertime. But, when winter comes, you will be needing one. So, sa ngayon, ayaw mong bilhin yung jacket dahil tag-init naman ngayon. Pero sa winter, kailangan mo yun. And if that seller gives you the jacket, well, I think tatanggapin mo siya. Dahil hindi mo man siya kailangan ngayon, in the future, kailangan mo siya. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, na sana nakita niyo yung difference dun sa hindi ko kailangan at saka hindi ko pa kailangan. Well, si jacket at si insurance, they are simply incomparable. Of course, si jacket kasi, definite. Kung kailan mo kagamitin, alam mo kung kailan. Maybe sometime in November or October, like that. So, alam mo, gagamitin mo na siya yung jacket. But, with the insurance, you don't know when you are going to be needing an insurance. Right? So, paano ba? Kailan nga ba talaga dapat tayo bumili ng insurance? That's a good question. And we will answer that. Tanungin natin yung mahiwagang TV. So, yan. When should you own life insurance? Of course, the moment you start earning money. Habang maaga pa at wala ka pang masyadong responsibilities, dapat kumuha ka na ng insurance. Ito rin kasi nakabase sa edad ng policyholder kaya the earlier, the better. Mas bata ka pa nang kumuha ay mas magiging mura lang ito. And vice versa if older. Etong malupit. You should buy your insurance the moment you think you don't need it. Naguluhan ba kayo? Siyempre, iniisip mo na di mo siya kailangan sa ngayon dahil malakas ka pa at bata pa. Lumipas nga ang 25 years pero strong and healthy ka pa rin eh. Pero alam mo ba ang bukas? Are you 100% sure na yung next day, next week, next month, year and decade, would still be the same as it was before. Yung kotse mo nga mula nung bilihin, walang naging aberya on the first 5 years. Pero bakit nang mag 6 years, bumigay yung alternator mo? Eh dati naman gumagana yan. At usually, hindi basta-basta nasisira yung part na yan. Siyempre, nasa paraan ng paggamit yan. Parang lifestyle lang. Kaya habang healthy ka pa, kumuha ka na ng policy mo para sure ma-approved ka. Dahil baka in the near future, maybe next month, pag nagkaroon ka bigla ng health condition at kailangan mo na ang insurance, hindi ka na pala insurable dahil sa naging health condition mo. So, lahat ng savings pwedeng mapunta lang sa medication o baka kulangin pa. What I'm trying to say is you must sign up now at this very moment. Let's say na-convince kita ngayon. Ang tanong, ano namang type ng insurance ang kailangan mong kunin? There are 7 types of life insurance. But let's just focus on the 2 major types of life insurance. Una ay ang term life, which covers your life for a limited period at fixed rate. And the other one is whole life insurance that also has a potential for investment. That's why it's also called as VUL or Variable Unit Link or Variable Unit Life. Having a policy description for a 40-year-old male who doesn't smoke and may life coverage na $100,000, let's try to compare a term insurance from a VUL. Ang cost per year ng term would roughly be $775 at sa VUL naman ay $2,000 per year. Sa loob ng 10 taon, you will be spending $7,750 for a term insurance while $20,000 naman sa VUL. At this point, alin kaya ang gugustuhin mong kunin? Well, I guess alam ko na kung ano ang sasagot mo. Siyempre, yung term. Mura kasi Madalas kasi sa ating mga Pinoy, pag pricey, ayaw na. Although, yun yung swak sa needs natin. We prefer more on lower costs. Pero okay lang naman yon. Having a lower insurance, like term, is better than having no coverage at all. Saka na lang i-upgrade pag medyo lumuwag na sa budget. Ngayon, tignan naman natin kung nagtatrabaho ba ang pera mo. Sa term, not even a single dollar was raised from your term insurance. Pero sa VUL, may $15,000 and $300 ka nang na-generate, which can be withdrawn if you like or if you need money. So after that first 10 years, bale 50 years old na siya. Dito, we are not sure kung insurable pa rin siya. So, kung wala namang naging problema sa health niya, pwede pa din siya magpa-insure for the next 10 years. Yun nga lang, at this time, $1,300 per year na ang insurance cost niya. While sa VUL, you don't have to worry dahil with or without medical problem arising, covered ka pa din till age 95. At wala ka nang babayaran pa. So for the next 10 years, you will pay $13,000 for your term insurance, while nothing naman on your VUL. But if you will look closer, you will notice na mas malaki na pala ang naibabayad niya sa term. Inabot na ng $20,750 versus $20,000 lang sa VUL. At kung tingnan ulit natin kung nagtrabaho ba ang pera niya sa term insurance, still $0 pa din. While sa VUL, a stunning $24,075 na ang cash value. which is greater than what he paid for. Ito na ang problema. At his age of 60, more insurance companies tend to refuse life coverage dahil too risky na ito for them. Habang yung sa BUL niya, covered pa din siya up to 95 years of age. At kung walang nagiging claims for sickness or whatever, ay patuloy pa din na mag-grow yung investments niya. Now, let me ask you, if price is not an issue, which would you prefer and why? Or, on the other hand, which one would you not want and why? So, that would be all. Thank you very much for listening. And I hope nakatulong po ako or nakadagdag ako sa inyong knowledge or sa inyong idea on how to select the type or kind of insurance that you like. Sana po, wag na kayong mag-isip pa ng, wag nyo nang patagalin. Act now. Call your financial consultant and say that you are going to sign up today. So, this has been Joel Garcia saying, help me, help you.